Historia kaka tim mokwongo ng'ado tiko mar yore tuke adhula pinje duto. Junior Starlets, jotugo manyiri ma hikgi ni piny mar 17 biro tugo kata timo ikruok margi makare motelo ne tukegi mibiro bagi dwe mar 10 nyaka 11 higani e piny mar Dominican Republic. Kano Welap ma Ulinzi Sports Complex, jatend migawo mar weche tuke Ababu na Mwamba nolero ni sirikal biro siro nyidendigo ka gibiro terogi e piny mar Spain kama gibiro timo orako margi kuom jumbe 3 kapok gidhi e piny mar Dominican Republic.
We want to make Africa proud and we want to make Kenya proud. We have identified a place for their training. We'll be taking them there 3 weeks to the start of the tournament, and we will be announcing formally the details of that program. But yes, we have a very good program to prepare them well so that they can go to compete effectively against the best in the world.
When we go to Spain, hopefully we will find other teams camping there, and then we'll get friendly. Once the draw is out, which group we will be in, then we will know which other teams we can look for and where they are. There's a lot of planning going around these things when you see them being done on the pitch. If the support and it continues the way it is, and we have super preparations, you have not seen any disruption with these girls, you've never had any stories, funny stories, and for that reason now they're going to the World Cup.